Here's the answer for day 1, problem 1. Find the distance between the points with these coordinates. Make a graph and find the distance showing work. So 2, 1 is located right there, and 6, -3 is located here. We're asked to find the distance between these dots, so we should connect them together to create a segment and find the length of that segment. To do that, let's create a right triangle. We'll drop straight down from the first dot and then draw over to reach the second dot, creating a 90-degree angle here. Then let's find the length of this bottom side and this side. This is 4 units long, and it happens to also be 4 units tall. Let's choose a variable to write on the hypotenuse of this right triangle. Because we're going to use the Pythagorean Theorem, it makes sense to use the letter c. Now we can find the length of c. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's the Pythagorean Theorem used for right triangles. A and b are the legs of the triangle. In this drawing, those are the 4s. So we have 4 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 4 squared is 16. So this is 16 plus 16, which is 32. And then to solve for c, we're going to do the square root, because square rooting removes the exponent of 2. So we get c equals the square root of 32. That's how long it is from that dot to that dot. Now day 1, problem 2. Line A is parallel to line F. That means it has the same slope as line F. We're given the equation of line F in slope-intercept form, where that number there is the slope. So if line A is parallel to line F, then the slope of line A is also 2/3. We're given an ordered pair on line A. So if we use variables, that's x1, and that number is y1. Now we can write our equation. There's a formula we're going to use called point-slope form. It's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And we'll make substitutions. For y1, fill in -5. For m, fill in 2/3. For x1, fill in 1. This is our equation, but because of this double negative sign right here, let's do one step of simplifying. We'll write this as y plus 5 equals 2/3 times x minus 1. There's the answer to question A. Now in question B, we're asked to graph the line. We know a point on the line. It's 1, -5. So over 1 and then down to -5. There's the dot. And we know the slope of line A is 2/3. Rise 2 and run 3. There's another dot on line A. Connect these together and we'll have graphed the line.